welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about Ethereum wallet, and in this video I am giving to complete information how can you reset your Ethereum wallet. Yes, if you need to reset your wallet, so this is so simple and easy, so please must watch this video till end. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you go to my YouTube channel, click on the video portion, then you can see here I have uploaded almost 8 to 9 videos about Ethereum wallet, Google Chrome extension, and our last video is how to import an account with private key. Yes, if you have a private key of your account, then you can easily import your wallet, any Ethereum wallet, any Bitcoin wallet, but you must have your private key. Okay, so please must watch this video and if you need to import your wallet, or you can easily restore your wallet with the private key. And today we are going to reset our wallet with phrases. How can I do? Simple. First of all, I am going to open my wallet and just simple enter my password here. I have entered my password and now click on unlock. If my password is correct, then my wallet will be open in front of me. You can see here the wallet is open in front of me, and I have not any balance on this wallet, and this is my wallet main interface, and there I have create only one wallet. If you need to create a multiple wallet, you can also go to my YouTube channel and watch that video, and that video I have give you complete information how you create a multiple wallet. Today we are going to reset wallet. So after open your wallet, and you can see here in left side 3 dot is available here. This is the setting of your wallet, and you can see here the first option is lock encryption, encrypt wallet, and second is setting. Simple click on setting button, and then the last option is reset wallets, and second last option is review my recovery phrases. I have already discussed about this portion, how to get backup of your recovery process, but today we are going to discuss only this portion, reset wallet. So today we are going to reset. Simple click on reset. Before going to reset, you can see here resetting your wallet will clear all information from Enkrypt and take your back to create recover wallet screen. You will be able to fully restore your wallet with your recovery phrases. And also must keep in your mind, do not reset your wallet if you do not have your recovery phrases. There will be no way to restore your account and you could lose all of your assets. So keep in your mind, if you have not your phrases and you still open your account, so please don't use, okay, otherwise your fund will be lost and you never log in or active your account. Okay, so I'm now going to enter right here reset. Just type here reset. Okay, after that you simple click on reset wallet. Now I have click on reset wallet. So now you can see here multiple chains, one wallet, encrypted wallet to give you easy access to all things crypto and web3, which is account and chain with one click encrypt. Currently support to Ethereum and Polkadot ecosystem with more chain on the way. So there's two options. First under create a new wallet. So second option is restore existing wallet. So I need to restore my wallet or I need to reset my wallet. So I have already clicked on reset option, and now the this page is open in front of me, and now I'm going to click on restore existing wallet, and Use our 12 to 24 hours recovery phases to restore your account in your wallet. So use recovery phases or other option. So I am just going to also click on other option, which information will be shown. Other option is your safety and security is over number one priority. So I don't need to use second option. I will need use user recovery traces. So now paste here my recovery traces. You can use 12, 15, 18, 21 or 24 word phrases to restore your wallet. Just enter as many words as you have to your purchase. So phrases is available here in my notepad file. Just simple copy and going to try simple paste here. So what will be shown here, and it's maybe not make any mistake. So try to click on next. Yes. Now going to enter my password here. I'm going to enter my password here. Yes, enter my password. Now click on next, and now again enter my password here. Enkrypt is not custodial. We cannot restore or reset your password for you. So please keep in your mind when you are going to enter your password, you must remember. Otherwise, you never recover your wallet. So my password is not matching. It's maybe make some mistakes. So I'm going to again enter here. Now my password is strong. Again confirm my password, and now my password is correct. Now click on next button. Now we are going to wait. My wallet is going to reset. Yes, you can see here your wallet is ready, and click on finish. Now because my wallet is reset, I'm now going to click on icon and click on and show my wallet interface. This is my wallet, which is we have reset with our faces. If you have faces, then you can easily perform on this wallet. Okay, so as I hope properly understand. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell crypto@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. Okay, so before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.